Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are aircraft that are operated remotely or autonomously without an onboard human pilot. They come in various sizes, from small handheld devices to large aircraft. Drones have gained significant popularity and have found applications in a wide range of industries and activities. Here are some key aspects to consider. 1. Commercial applications. Drones are being increasingly used for various commercial purposes. They are employed in industries such as agriculture, construction, logistics, filmmaking, and surveying, among others. Drones offer tasks such as aerial inspections, crop monitoring, package delivery, and capturing unique perspectives in cinematography. Though enhanced technology, drone technology continues to improve rapidly. Advancements in battery life, flight time, and payload capacity have expanded the capabilities of drones. Moreover, developments in artificial intelligence, AI, computer vision, and machine learning enable drones to perform complex tasks autonomously, such as object recognition, obstacle avoidance, and route planning. Team delivery services. One of the most anticipated applications of drones is their use in delivery services. Companies like Amazon and UPS are actively exploring the use of drones for delivering packages to customers. 4. Urban air mobility, UAM. Urban air mobility refers to the concept of using drones or other aircraft for transportation within urban areas. Companies are working on developing electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft that can transport people and goods in urban environments. 5. Regulatory challenges. As drones become more prevalent, there are increasing concerns regarding privacy, security, and airspace regulations. Governments and aviation authorities are working on developing regulations and standards to ensure safe and responsible drone operations. Chair. Public safety and emergency response. Drones have proven to be valuable tools in public safety and emergency response situations. They can be used for search and rescue missions, disaster assessment, and monitoring hazardous areas. 7. Entertainment and recreation. Drones have also become popular in the entertainment and recreational sector. People use drones for aerial photography, videography, and racing events. Art. Overall, the future of drones is expected to bring advancements in technology, expanded commercial applications, and a more integrated airspace management system.